Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So if your Shopify store feels slow, you are probably losing customers and sales. So in today's small tutorial, we're really gonna talk on how to actually speed up Shopify store in the 2026 version. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Where all you're gonna do is open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet. Go all the way to shopify.com. So basically it's here where we will be looking for the problem. After basically doing your usual login using your email address and password. Now we have our page here. We're gonna go to our online store, go all the way to Gems. Then we're gonna look if we have any reports here as well. Okay, preview, rename, edit code. Let's go all the way to edit them. It's here basically where you can customize your website. Make sure it's nothing too fancy, so it will usually be fast. Okay, we will give it a second look on this Gems page as well. See if there is any reports, any messages that you can use. You can even rename this page, view your store, import gem, it depends on you. Now we're gonna go and see if there is some apps here that we need to delete or just uninstall since you aren't using them. Okay, for me I don't have any app, but for you, you should be able to see multiple here. Delete any that you don't really use. Then look for basically any optimized images. Compress large images before uploading. Let's say you have more than one product here. So you basically have shoes and t-shirts or whatever. Make sure you compress the large images. You should also use any lightweight gems. You don't want a gem that it's too fancy, but so we always want something fast. So make sure to pick one of this or even go and visit the gem store and look for your favorite one. And that's basically the main idea. You should also use a light. Basically, you should also limit custom code and scripts, we all know that. Enable lazy loading if you need to as well. And that's it. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.